Hello everyone, Dr. ERUDiTE here from Figo Trader. So with me here today is Volatility 50 Index on a 1-day chart. All right, what do we have? Begin to have like an uptrend. So this is awesome. So before we get excited, before we forget the uptrend, let's just show you what the uptrend is looking like. The immediate uptrend here is this guy. You can see the uptrend, this one. Then if we reduce, we can do stage B uptrend. This is stage 1 uptrend. This guy here. So anytime we break these lines, we are now back to downtrend. So but these are the uptrend lines. So what I see here are the uptrend lines. So just call it like uptrend line here. So we have group B. This was group A. So we're down group A. So we're looking at this group. So this group uptrend line. This is another one. Or maybe let's be realistic here. This is, let's just work with what we have. This is basically what we have here. All right. These are the 3-level uptrends, uptrend lines. So we have the trend line cutting across. I call it like level 1, level 2, level 3. So it's powerfully bullish because this is level 3. But before the uptrend, what happened? So we want to see that we had like a downtrend here. Okay, this downtrend. And downtrend didn't last forever. It just did this thing and bang, that's what happened. So we had downtrend up to this point here. Okay, that was all we had. So just let's reduce it. We don't want to make it messy. Just maybe put it around here. So this is what happened. Okay. Now before the downtrend, we had like an uptrend. Yeah. Okay. We had an uptrend. Well, I wouldn't say an uptrend per se. I'll just say like, whatever, just something like this. Yeah, I think it's an uptrend. If I don't want to complicate things, I'll call it an uptrend. And it broke out. Yeah, so it broke out. So we have this uptrend here. It broke out, then got in. So just leave it this way. Just leave it this way. This was the break. The break was here, and every other thing was like a retest of the breakouts. I just call it retest of the breakout. But because um it's kind of off to keep it as that, so I just do this here. This is what happened. Um yeah, we're not really getting the full picture we wanted. So we got like a rejection at this point. So we just draw our lines, rectangle lines. These are the support zones, just zones that I think will be very trendy. I like to keep these ones as gray. Only time you see me use green as maybe I am referring to that place as a very important buying zone, but for just the support, I just keep it as gray so that we don't have to complicate things. Now, important regions, we have this place as an important region. So okay, let's start from the top. The top zone. This is an important resistance zone. This is a resistance area. So here, okay. So we clone, and then we got another resistance area around here. Then we clone, and then somewhere around here we had like multiple rejections. I think, let's see, somewhere around where this place was busy. Yeah, here was a busy place. So I just make it a little bit longer so I can accommodate all those things. Yeah, this is a busy zone. Then I can clone. Let's clone and give here an activity. Okay. So so one way to see this is just seeing looking out for uh places of possible rejections, and then lastly I can see like we had like a double like a double bottom. So just and the double bottoms are usually buy signals. So just highlight this as green zone for me. So these are like zones where you expect buyers to step in. So just make this green. It's a very big double bottom zone. So let's just keep it as green. Uh, green here, green. Okay, so these are like the important regions I feel we should be looking at. Mm-hmm. I can adjust this one a bit just so that we have like a not too wide region. This region can also be extended so that we can cover for the other lapses here. Okay. So yeah, that's basically what we have. Okay, for the regions. Now, just to check, were we done with the take profits yet? We did this. Take profits. Did it go as planned? Okay, we broke it around here. Well, not entirely. You would say the take profit wasn't entirely complete, but we had like a deficit around here. But that's not a problem. Maybe there are other things. So because I can't really get like a clean sweep through the trend line, I'll just call this a ranging market. So maybe I'll just just disable this, just call it like a range, a very big range. So just do this. This is what I think happened. So we were in a range for a long time. Yeah, so that's what I think. That's my theory. A range for a long time, and the range eventually did break out at the top. Now, so I think that's what it is. That's my bias. A range that broke out at the top. So we were ranging for a while, and our range, okay, and our range was between this. These were the region. I could just maybe make this a little bit. Maybe here we can just put this one. I think yeah. So um, take profit for this range will be the distance of the range up. So we expect that this would go high in the buy. This is our bias for the long term buy position. So means we will continue to remain bullish till we get to this place. So I just mark this zone as a very important zone that if we reach, we should also consider taking profit. So somewhere around the stop here. So this is an important zone. Take profit zone. All right, so I think that is basically the analysis. There's no point scaling down to small time frame. You're scaling down, you just got to be making things worse for yourself. Your target is that you know that you're bullish in this market. You're looking to only buy because you've got a long way to go. Yeah, look at this is fresh start of the buy. But if you're like okay petty and want to just go down to 4 hours and say okay that's what happened in 4 hours time. In the 4 hour time frame, what we have is a breakout of a pattern. Of course, a bullish breakout. You can see this now. Bullish breakout, and this bullish breakout has a projected take profit for say maybe okay, so this is the next resistance, so we're gonna buy up to this area and then maybe from like another downtrend a little bit, then go back up to this next layer, then do another one, then go back finally up to this place. Yeah, so that's basically the nutshell analysis for V50 index. All right, so for those of you who like what I'm doing and would like to learn from me, I've got a video link description, not a video link, I mean a link in the description that says how you could buy like a live course from my end through our select store, and you would have me teach you live for 5 days. All right, cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Dr. ERUDiTE from Figo Trader.